Here it goes.
Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Fulton
It
County.
keeps activating late. Huh.
Until 3:15 p.m. At 2:25 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located.
It didn't even activate, huh?
Or 14 miles northeast of Macomb, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Canton, Farmington, Avon, Yade City, Fairview, London Mills, Norris, St. Augustine, Ellisville, 5 and Middle Grove.